of XTransfer?
No.
I'm sorry.
Do you know XTransfer?
No. I don't know.
Yes, I heard.
It's quite interesting if you are importer or exporter.
Hey guys, welcome to the third stop of the XTransfer Global Tour, Thailand. We are currently at the Bangkok National Convention Center. Let's find out more from the global cross-border traders. Where are you from?
America.
Tanzania in East Africa.
Turkey.
From Bangkok.
Why you come to this exhibition?
Because my mom told me to.
Actually, I came here like every year. Yeah.
I want to see special things.
Special thing. Are you doing business with China?
Yes, I do solar business in China. I'm buying solar lights from China and sell to Turkey and European countries.
Have you ever heard of XTransfer?
Yes, I heard. I need some payments to my Chinese supplier, so it helped me to pay easily and fastly. So I had great experience with them.
I came into your booth. So it's a financial service where you can easily transfer money.
It's quite interesting if you are importer or exporter. I think it's quite help you to do the transaction cheaper and faster.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
And here's your gift.